Hey food fans! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of butter production. Butter is a staple in many households, and its journey from farm to factory is nothing short of amazing. So, let's get started. Forget those idyllic images of hand churning on the farm. While those methods are charming and nostalgic, they are far from the reality of how most of our butter is made today. We're going big-time, industrial-size butter making. Modern technology has revolutionized the process, making it faster, more efficient, and capable of producing butter on a massive scale. We're talking about transforming thousands of gallons of milk into that creamy golden goodness we all love. The scale of production is truly mind-boggling, with factories processing milk from hundreds of dairy farms. Buckle up as we journey from dairy farm to your refrigerator. This process involves a series of meticulous steps, each crucial in ensuring the quality and taste of the final product. Our adventure begins with milk, the essential ingredient in butter. Fresh, high-quality milk is the cornerstone of great butter, and it all starts with the cows. But not just any milk will do. The milk undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure it meets the high standards required for butter production. This includes checking for fat content, purity, and overall quality. We need the good stuff, the high-fat cream that rises to the top. This cream is what gives butter its rich, creamy texture and delicious flavor. To get there, we start at the source dairy farms. These farms are equipped with modern technology to ensure the cows are healthy and happy, which in turn ensures the milk they produce is of the highest quality. These farms are where the magic begins, where cows graze and produce the milk that forms the foundation of our butter. The care and attention given to the cows are paramount in producing top-notch milk. The milking process is now highly automated, ensuring efficiency and hygiene. Cows are milked several times a day, and the milk is quickly cooled and stored to maintain its freshness. From here, the journey takes us to the heart of the operation, the butter factory. This is where the bulk of the transformation happens, turning fresh milk into butter through a series of sophisticated processes. It's a symphony of stainless steel, whirling machines, and the sweet aroma of dairy. Let's go. The factory is a marvel of modern engineering, with each piece of machinery playing a crucial role in the production process. From pasteurization to churning, every step is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality butter. So next time you spread butter on your toast, remember the incredible journey it took to get there. Our first stop is the receiving dock of the butter factory. This is where the journey of transforming raw milk into delicious butter begins. The receiving dock is a bustling hub of activity, a critical point in the entire process. Here, tanker trucks arrive, filled to the brim with raw milk from surrounding dairy farms. These trucks are a lifeline, connecting the farms to the factory, ensuring a steady supply of fresh milk. These aren't your average delivery trucks, they're like mobile milk tanks, specially designed to keep the milk fresh and at the perfect temperature during transport. The design of these trucks is crucial, as maintaining the right temperature ensures the milk's quality is preserved. Before the milk even enters the factory, it undergoes rigorous testing. This step is essential to ensure that only the highest quality milk is used in the butter-making process. Technicians in white coats and hairnets take samples from each tanker, ensuring it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. They meticulously check for various parameters, including fat content, bacterial count, and overall freshness. We're talking about fat content, bacterial count, you name it. Each sample is analyzed using state-of-the-art equipment, providing precise and accurate results. Only the best milk makes it through this checkpoint. The technician's thumbs up is a green light for the milk to proceed to the next stage of processing. Once given the green light, the milk begins its journey through a maze of pipes and tanks within the factory. This intricate network is designed to handle large volumes of milk efficiently. It's a carefully orchestrated dance, with each step playing a crucial role in the transformation of milk into butter. The machinery and equipment work in harmony, ensuring that the milk is processed smoothly and efficiently. The churning process is where the magic happens. Large vats churn the milk, separating the butter fat from the buttermilk. This is a critical step, as the quality of the churning process directly impacts the texture and flavor of the final product. Once the butter fat is separated, it is molded and packaged. The automated packaging line ensures that each block of butter is perfectly shaped and wrapped, ready to be shipped to stores and eventually to your kitchen. The final step in the journey is distribution. The freshly made butter is loaded onto trucks and sent to distribution centers, from where it will make its way to grocery stores and markets. And there you have it, from the farm to the factory, and finally to the store shelves. The next time you pick up a block of butter, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken to get there. Whether you're spreading it on toast, baking a cake, or melting it in a hot pan, butter is a versatile and essential ingredient in many of our favorite dishes. It's a small but significant part of our daily lives, bringing richness and flavor to our meals. So, let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication that goes into making this everyday staple. From the dairy farms where it all begins, to the factory where it's carefully processed, and finally to our tables. Butter is truly a testament to the bounty of nature and the ingenuity of human craftsmanship. Remember those milk samples taken from the tankers? They weren't just for show. In the factory's quality control lab, technicians work diligently, analyzing the milk for any imperfections. They're like milk detectives, searching for even the slightest hint of something off. Using sophisticated equipment, they check for things like bacterial growth, antibiotics, and even water content. It's all about ensuring the milk meets the strictest standards of purity and safety. Any milk that doesn't make the grade is rejected, ensuring that only the highest quality milk goes into making our butter. This rigorous testing is a testament to the commitment of modern butter production. It's about more than just making a tasty spread, it's about providing a safe and wholesome product for consumers. Section 4, Spinning out the good stuff, separating cream. In this section, we delve into the fascinating process of separating cream from milk, a crucial step in the journey of making butter. With the milk given a clean bill of health, it's time to separate the cream from the skim milk. This step ensures that the milk is safe and of high quality, ready for the next phase of processing. This is where those impressive machines called centrifuges come into play. These high-tech devices are essential in the dairy industry, making the separation process efficient and effective. Picture giant stainless steel drums spinning at incredibly high speeds. These centrifuges are designed to handle large volumes of milk, ensuring that the separation process is both quick and thorough. As the milk enters these whirling behemoths, the centrifugal force pushes the denser skim milk outward, while the lighter cream gathers in the center. This separation is a marvel of modern engineering, allowing us to efficiently extract cream from milk. It's like a dairy-themed amusement park ride, but instead of screams, you hear the whir of machinery and the gentle sloshing of milk. The process is both mesmerizing and essential, ensuring that we get the best quality cream for our butter. The separated cream, now thick and rich, is pumped away to continue its journey toward becoming butter. This cream will undergo further processing to achieve the perfect texture and flavor that we all love in butter. Meanwhile, the skim milk, still a valuable source of nutrients, is often used to create other dairy products. From low-fat milk to cheese and yogurt, the possibilities are endless. This ensures that no part of the milk goes to waste, making the process both efficient and sustainable. The versatility of skim milk is truly remarkable. It can be transformed into a wide range of products, each with its own unique taste and nutritional benefits. This highlights the importance of the separation process, as it allows us to maximize the potential of every drop of milk. As the cream continues its journey, it will be churned and processed into butter, ready to be packaged and distributed. The entire process, from milk to butter, is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the dairy industry. And in the end, we get to enjoy the delicious, creamy butter on our favorite foods. Whether it's spread on toast, melted on pancakes, or used in baking, butter adds a rich, delightful flavor that enhances any dish. So next time you enjoy a pat of butter, remember the incredible journey it took from the farm to your table. The process of separating cream is just one of the many steps that ensure we get the highest quality dairy products. Section 5, Safety First, the pasteurization process. Before our cream can become butter, it undergoes a crucial step, pasteurization. This process, named after the famous scientist Louis Pasteur, is all about eliminating harmful bacteria and ensuring the safety of the final product. The cream is gently heated to a specific temperature for a precise amount of time, effectively neutralizing any unwanted microorganisms. This heating process doesn't affect the flavor or quality of the cream, but it adds an extra layer of protection for consumers. Pasteurization is a non-negotiable step in modern food production, and the butter industry takes it very seriously. It's a testament to the commitment of ensuring that the food we eat is not only delicious but also safe.